Hi, this is Rajneesh along with my group mates Karat Singh and Hemant Chaudhary. In MS623 assignment of cybersecurity and analytics, we had three cybersecurity tools and techniques. In the first sectors, that is cybersecurity and vulnerability, I am presenting Metasploit tool. In the second part, that is intelligence cybersecurity solution, I am selecting Splunk. And in the third part, I am using Weka tools. The main benefit of using Metasploit is that it is an open source and graphical user interface. Moreover, it helps to support for testing large network and easy naming conversation. It has a smart payload generation and switching mechanism. So now here I am going to show a demonstration of the work done. During the installation, I need to run the installer.run command and proceed the following step as seen in the video. After that, I need to select SSL port, that is 3790. Then I need to select a server name, that is localhost. As I am already installed the software, thus I cancelled it. After that, I need to open the web browser and then type the localhost website link. Then I need to enter login ID and password. In the project setting, I need to type project name and the network range, then click on create the project. After that, I need to click on the scan option, which shows that the scan duration time is 3 minutes and the second scan process is completed. After that, I observed that two vulnerabilities have been obtained and the operating system is Linux. Go to then played with OS version and the status shows checked. Total 33 versions have been identified, and now going to vulnerability details, we found two vulnerabilities. Now going to application model. So here, this is all the performance which we are doing for the Metasploit. The other two cyber security tools which we had for making our assignment is Splunk and Vika. I will suggest Hemant if you can please share the screen and speak something about Splunk, please.
I'm going to start. Splunk is a centralized. Hello. I'm going to explain the cybersecurity tool called Splunk. Splunk is a centralized log analysis tool for mechanic generated data, unstructured, structured, and complex multi-line data, which provides the following features such as easy search, navigate, real-time visibility, historical analytics, reports, alerts, dashboards, and visualization. Splunk enables rapid security investigation and analysis. In this section, we look at authentication failure across the entire infrastructure to detect potential bad actors. We're looking for any event for fail password event. As we enter fail, then Splunk has features that show the matching search related to failing, and this helps to find what we look for. By entering a password shows specific values, like we are watching on the screen. We look for by entering password shows that specific value. This shows all failed passwords in the entire process. uh, the destination shows where they trying to go, and the source shows where they originate, and the user shows where they associated with the login. And states common helps us a total number of aggregate number of failure by originate access and target access users on the target. The rest things will be explained by my friend Carl.
I will be sharing about Weka. Weka tools, the installation of this is very long, and as we can see on the screen, it will take long time and it required really long time. After completion of installation, I will move to that because it takes long time. After completion, I need to select Explorer, then click on an app open file, then select the training series here, and then I need to open enter, then select J48 and click start because it's been long time. And after some time, it displayed the statistic information that includes the mean absolute error, that number of instances, and that's all our security tools about. Thank you. Have a good one.